Hello everyone, my name is Smith Jadofia and welcome in Plan XD. Guys, sorry for that because हमने काफ़ी टाइम से कोई भी वीडियो अपलोड नहीं की थी हमारे चैनल पर because we have some personal reason. Now we will uploading different kinds of informational videos on our channel. So please stay tuned with us. And guys, अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं की तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अगर आपको हमारा वीडियो पसंद आए तो प्लीज़ शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ सो दैट दे कैन ऑल्सो गेट इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट IT फील्ड. Guys, in this video I'm telling you that top 20 jobs in IT field and which is a best job in the world and what is the pay scale of it. Please watch this video till the end, and I want to tell you that I will not say primary duties about all the position because अगर मैं आपको प्राइमरी ड्यूटीज बताऊंगा तो पूरा वीडियो लेंथी हो जाएगा और so that I am telling you about only for position name and the pay scale of it in US dollar and in Indian rupees. So please stay tuned with us. Guys, please watch this video till the end because it will be very informative and I am telling jobs name in descending order. So without wasting time, let's get started. On the 20th position, there is the name of IT coordinator. Everyone knows about IT manager, so that they can identify what is the responsibility of IT coordinator and IT manager. And if I talk about national average salary, then it is 43,352 US dollar. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be of around 32 lakh. So guys, you can identify with what kinds of career you have to choose. Let's move on a 19th position, and the name of that position is network system administrator. Nowadays each and every business move on a network, so that they need network system administrator to solve that problem. And everyone knows about system efficiency and monitor activities, and they need to troubleshoot if any issues arise. If I talk about a national average salary of administrator, then it is around 68,181 US dollar. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be in around 50 lakh rupees. Let's move on next. Computer forensic investigator. Guys, each and everyone knows about what is a forensic investigator. And in our IT field, there is also a computer forensic investigator. Nowadays, cybercrime is increasing day by day, and they need some investigator to make a report related to different kinds of attacks, so that they can present that report in a court. If I talk about computer forensic investigators average salary, then it is 69,807 US dollar per year. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 51 lakh per annum. So it is also very important and demanded job, I can say that. Let's move on IT analyst. Guys, everyone knows about IT analyst evaluate user needs to design and implement information technology solutions, so that it is a demanded job, I can say that. And the average salary of it is 76,374 US dollar. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 55 lakh per annum, and it is huge package compared to the other IT jobs related like web development, PHP developer, Laravel developer. Guys, it is not necessary टू स्टिक विथ वन पर्टिकुलर जॉब बिकॉज कोई भी ऐसी जॉब नहीं है IT में जो आपको परमानेंट पे स्केल देगी. और आई फ्रॉम माई परस्पेक्टिव यू हैव टू इम्प्रूव योर सेल्फ इन लेटेस्ट टेक्नोलॉजी सो दैट यू कैन survive in IT field for a long time with high pay scale. And that is a system analyst. Guys, this video will be very long, so that please connect with us. And if I talk about the duties of system analyst, then it is responsible for evaluating and diagnosing and making recommendation on software solution according to the business need. Guys, each and every software needs analyst, because without analyst they cannot get identify about but requirement and different kinds of problems related to software. And if I talk about system analyst salary, then it is 79,813 US dollar per year. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 59 lakh per annum. It is and it will be in demand. Let's move on 15th job, and the name of that position is information security analyst. You have to identify what kinds of duties have information and security analyst, because the name of it is very simple and everyone knows about it. And if I talk about the average pay scale of security analyst in the world is 82,429 US dollar per year. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 60 to 61 lakh. It is a app developer. Guys, the craze of app developer is increasing day by day, because each and every company wants their own app, so that I can say that it will be demand if you are a good app developer. And the pay scale of app developer is 86,204 US dollar per year. It is a huge, because compared to the web development, and I believe you must have a different kinds of skills related to app developer in different kinds of technologies. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 63 lakh per annum. And if I'm talking about Indian market, then they will not give this kind of money, because each and every company's owner give you salary maximum 3 to 6 lakh for app developer. Let's move on next, and the next position is a network engineer. Guys, network engineer are responsible for the maintenance of computer hardware and software networks. And if I talk about average salary of it is 88,844 US dollar per year. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 65 lakh. Guys, these kinds of average salary is for experienced person, and if you have a lot of experience in this field, you have a golden chance to earn more and more money. Let's move on our 12th position, and it is a data modeler. Actually, I have to tell you about what is the responsibility of data modeler, because it is a new term for many of you. And let's talk about it. Primary duties about modelers is a data modeler is responsible for defining how data is stored and retrieved logically according to the business needs. Guys, you have to think about Netflix and different kinds of big companies, and they have a lot of data, and like thousands of movies and thousands of videos available on Facebook and Instagram, as well as Netflix and Amazon Prime. So they need data modeler to maintain all kinds of data, and like user can easily retrieve and without a loading, and user can watch different kinds of video without without buffering. So yes, this will be in demand. And if I talk about salary, then average salary of data modeler is 89,807 US dollar per year. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 66 lakh. Programmer analyst. National average salary of programmer analyst is 92,201 US dollar per year. So it will be around around 68 lakh. Guys, programmer analyst evaluates business, finance, and human resource manufacturing and marketing needs of determine the best functional solution. Job which is a database administrator. Guys, a database admin is responsible for implementing solution, troubleshooting and protecting an organization database. Everyone knows about each and everything will be stored in database, and each and every business require different kinds of person who maintain their data, because security is a very essential thing in this digital world. If I talk about the average pay scale of a database administrator, then it is 92,446 US dollar per year, and if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it is around 68 to 69 lakh per annum. Let's move on ninth position, and it is a senior IT consultant. Actually, if I talk about what kinds of responsibility it has, then IT consultant helps business implement information technology solution into their business model. They analyze company's current IT structure, then develop and implement solution based on their client needs. Guys, if you have a good skill in software engineering, then you have to choose these kinds of field. And average pay scale is 1,11,906 US dollar per year. It is average salary. And guys, if you have a hands-on amount of experience, then you will get more than this salary. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will around 82 lakh per year. Let's move on next job, and it is a solution architect. Guys, I'm not telling you that about each and every duties, because this video will be lengthy, and I want you don't have a time to listen me, so that I am making this video very short if I can. Let's move on solution architect, and average salary of it is 1,16,173 US dollar per year. Guys, it is a very demanded job in this world, and I can say that if you have more knowledge, if you have more experience, if you have patience and confidence to work any kinds of thing, then you can get more money than more than you expect. Let's move on a data scientist job. Guys, data scientist is very famous nowadays, and each and every students move in data science and AI and MI, so that I don't want to say anything about it, but average salary of it is 1,21,503 US dollar per year, and if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it is around 89 lakh per annum. So guys, करोड़पति बनने वाले हैं, तो please watch this video till the end. अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस होगा तो आप करोड़पति जरूर बनेंगे पर ईयर. Let's move on 15 let's move on 6th position, if I'm not wrong, and it is a cloud system engineering. And if I talk about cloud computing, then it is demanding right now also. An average salary of cloud system engineer is 1,24,829 US dollar per year. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 92 lakh per annum. And if I talk about the duties of cloud system engineer, then they have experience with the most prominent programming language, OS and software development methods, because it is very essential. Let's move on next, and it is DevOps engineer. Guys, when I am in college of first year. I don't have enough knowledge about DevOps engineering, and to be very honest, मैंने ये word भी नहीं सुना था. So guys, you can identify that what kinds of changes happen in our IT field. Let's talk about the average salary of DevOps engineer is 1,25,214 US dollar per year, and if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 93 lakh per annum. Guys, if you have project management skill and different kinds of different kinds of programming skill also, then you can choose this field because they have a strong background in software development and system operation and development solution for data deployment. A network architect. Guys, if I talk about duties of network architect, then responsible for diagnosis the network needs of an organization or municipality. This job is different from a network engineer because its primary focus is on the design and implementation of a new system rather than the maintenance and troubleshooting activity. Guys, you know that network administrator needs duties of network administrator is maintenance and troubleshooting of different kinds of network systems. Network architect average pay scale is 1,26,315 US dollar per year. If I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 93 to 94 lakh per annum. Let's move on next, and it is third highest pay scale job. It is cloud architect. Guys, a cloud architect is responsible for implementing technical needs of a project into the design of business cloud structure. If you want to know more about it, then please Google it, and if you have any doubt, then please connect with us by mail and comment section so that we can solve your problems. Cloud architect salary is 1,38,493 US dollar per year, and if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 1 crore to 1 crore rupees. Guys, if I talking about a second highest pay scale job is a data architect, and the national average salary of it is 1,35,368 US dollar, and if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it's around one and one. If I talk about primary duties of that data architect, then it analyzes the needs of an organization and implementation solution for database storage and management. They work with a team of modelers and administrator and analyst to secure data and ensure that it's easily accessible through a computer's binary function. Let's move on first high pay scale job, site reliability engineer. Guys, the primary duties of site reliability engineer is responsible for system performance. They routinely monitor and troubleshoot and implement solutions to ensure that a system or network is running optimally in business setting. This position is an important component in ensuring the organization can continue using the IT infrastructure and conduct regular business activities. Guys, and if I talk about pay scale of it is 1,38,672 US dollar per year. You can imagine that. And if I convert it in Indian rupees, then it will be around 1 crore 3 lakh per annum. So guys, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then please give thumbs up and share it with your friends.